look at that. That is a fantastic walnut log. I forgot I even had this timber down here. This came from the Quart Size of walnut trees. I've done a video about maybe a year ago, probably longer than that, on sawing it up. And I had one log left out of those trees that I got over there from that farmer, and I thought I sawed them all. I guess I didn't. I recognize this one from that bunch. Over the past 2 days, I've been hauling my timber to the new farm, and this is one of the best things that's came from it, is finding these logs I forgot I even had. There's so many walnuts down here to saw. I'm gonna be out here till midnight probably, just hauling them out of here. Then I gotta take the Bobcat to the new place and do some sorting with it, because I gotta return the dump trailer and the skid steer in the morning. So I'm gonna try to get all this done. I'll probably stop the video right here, because I gotta get these things over there. And videos don't look good at night anyways on these cameras. And this dump trailer here, you talk about handy for moving timber around. I've got to get one of these. I've never used one before. This thing's nice. Sure makes it easy when you're unloading them. So anyways guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you back here in a few days. Hopefully we'll have the first logs on the sawmill by first of the week and start doing some sawing finally. And this Quart Size walnut here, it may be the first one I put on there. I thought about doing another one, but this one right here probably go on there first. Fantastic. Don't get no better than this.